John McKeag here again. Liberty Aid Academy School, yeah. LibertyAidAcademy.org. All right, you want this McKeag Mastery Edition. Oh, sorry, Mastery Edition Trust 101 right here. This is what you want. It's got all your training. Open up the trust, and then you can do things like, you know, no reporting of taxes, just all that great stuff. Okay. But this video is on a particular hack. People who use a tax-free and reporting-free trusts can have an issue with getting qualified to get a mortgage. Okay, so this is a tip about how to get qualified to get a mortgage if you use a tax-exempt trust, right? Our trust. And you're like, oh, but I want to, people come to me all the time like, oh, should I pay taxes so I qualify for a mortgage? Well, what do they ask you for? Oh, I need tax returns. Oh, okay. You know who makes tax returns for free? Credit Karma. I make them for free. Yeah, that's cool. So if you need a year or two of tax returns and you haven't reported for a while because you got the trust, fantastic. You go here, click on the tax season, and then well, look at this. File for free now. Click. You see? So you just want to fill in that information, talk with figure out like, oh, I need this much money for a mortgage because I will live there. You know, you need money still. I'm not saying don't pay for a mortgage. Don't get me wrong. This is about qualifying. You see, so you need a bank account with a trust, and the funds have to be in there to pay for your down payment, blah blah blah, whatever in the process. I'm not saying that doesn't apply. All the other requirements, you got to meet them. Uh, Good credit score, blah blah. There's all that. This is just the one thing because you can meet all the other criteria easily where you have one of our trusts, right? Our tax free trust. But the issue is that we need the tax returns. Okay, this is a way anyone can make tax returns for free. You just go in there, click. You see, and you just fill it out as you need it to be to qualify for the mortgage amount you need. You see, you just fill it out that way, and then you have the tax returns and fill them out for free, and you can print them out at the end. And then you're like, oh well, let me email you my tax returns, mortgage lender, and there you go. That's it. You file with Credit Karma. Okay, that doesn't prove anything except for you do have tax returns. Okay, great. That's all they're asking for the lender is tax returns. Oh, well, I have them. I filed with Credit Karma. Okay, here, there you go. Okay, so the details about what you say and the rest of it, like how much money you make and stuff. We have courses on that. Okay, but as far as getting just the part of getting qualified, the issue with the tax returns, such an easy solution. Isn't that easy? You just click. It's free. Free. It's a good price for you. And then, oh, hey, mortgage lender, yeah, click. Yeah, you want my tax returns? Here you go. So that's a little tip on how to get qualified for a mortgage when using a one of our trusts, right? Because you don't have to. You won't be filing. What happened? You won't ever be filing any tax returns ever again for your trust. You won't ever be paying any taxes ever again. Because you use this trust. So you just need those documents for qualifying. This is how you make them. So simple. All right. How to get a mortgage tip.